Today we're doing the trail, and Tim is doing the video, and it's gonna suck. Woohoo! Like you're not even putting it on a clear part of the window. That's gonna be...
Well, get out and clean the window.
Now this is a great shot. What was he filming? Their feet? Sometimes the best footage arises from moments that were never intended to be used in the video. That's what happened in this video.
Make the wipers go so it cleans the
Put it
window.
over further here, because where that's dirty, it picks it up. I looked at Tim. He was just relaxing, not recording me with the camera. So I grabbed the GoPro and I started to film him. Listen to his reaction.
Okay, Spielberg, do you want me to drive so you can do stuff?
Okay, you just need to focus on driving. Yeah, well, you're driving.
I'm doing great. I just need 4 more GoPros and I'll be master.
5 more GoPros.
Don't drive so fast so they're in the picture. Well, don't get too close. It might not be in the picture.
That's all right. You'll warn me.
Careful of the French, my love.
When you look at this hill, you watch. The reason they're spaced out is if that guy starts sliding like he just did.
Yeah.
I watched a guy get T-boned and right off his vehicle because they were too close on a big hill.
Now you're on video.
Don't slam the seatbelt in the door.
That is the fire extinguisher.
Okay.
Sorry, my love.
No, because I moved all over the place. And I don't get what I'm doing wrong here, but I keep...
I don't think the gimbal's on.
Well, that's why I couldn't figure it out because I couldn't turn off the cord either. I don't know why the camera's pointing down. Okay, do you want to stop so I can get out and get the shot?
Sure. I can't tell you how much fun we had this day, but I can show you. We mock, poke fun, mimic, ridicule, and laugh. Did we ever laugh? Can I come down there, Steve? Do I need to lock the sway bars?
Put the camera away.
One time, when we were on another trail run, I had the window down and got struck by a branch. I screamed, "Ow!" Tim sarcastically replied, "Be careful, my love." Ever since that day, we always say this to each other when one of us gets hurt.
All right, don't warn me.
Careful of the branch, my love.
Stay back so I can get it.
How much tire did you get?
All of them.
What are you looking at? It's my favorite sound on my Jeep.
Go to your left.
Go to my left?
Yes.
How much?
Well, so you're on the edge of those trees, so you're not in these ones so hard.
That was the good part. She's going to get a little narrow up here. Just filter through until there's enough room for everybody to get in.
We finally arrived at the lake in this bone-chilling cold. I'm pretty sure even the fire was huddling closer to us for warmth. I still don't need four-wheel drive.
Are you spinning? A dead stock on all-season tires ahead of you.
Okay.
no lockers. So unless they have a problem, you're just fine.
So I just noticed this on the windshield. Huge. We were ducked. It's a duck keychain. They'll cut for a skidoo, right? Do, baby shark, mama shark, do 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 do, mama daddy, whatever shark. Tim's driving again. Smile for the camera, Tim.
We'll wait for you when you get to the next turn. Call when you're out.
When I am doing the recording, let's say there's a deep mud hole or something coming up. In order for me to capture the Jeep in front and the Jeep in back, I do not have time to turn off the record button. I will miss the shot. I quickly transition from front to back. Watch Tim mimic this.
Second.
I'm gonna get an hour of this.
It's a lake. It's a big lake. We should go skinny dipping.
We don't have any skin left.
No?
Do you have to be skinny to go skinny dipping?
Yeah.
Oh, that's it. You get in and you come out skinny.
Yeah. Layers freeze off.
Yeah.
Hey Brian, if you're happy with the job you lead, it would have been going in a circle. And it's all good, buddy.
Okay, so you might not like that.
Can I go straight?
Can you? I wouldn't do that if you're going to get us stuck.
How bad is it? Might drag the back end going down, but not too bad. What are they doing?
Watch, she's going to smack hers.
Okay, but there's a way around it. And he's gonna do it. See, he's gonna turn sideways a bit. And he's even longer than yours.
Oh. Thanks, Rick. Thanks, buddy. There's the damage of Tim going through that.
Well, don't get too close. It might not be in the picture.
The radio's awfully quiet. Is it still on?
Yeah.
If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're not enjoying the video, like and subscribe anyway. You don't stop having fun when you get old. You get old when you stop having fun. Today, we had a blast. We had so much fun.